Hi, in this video I am going to tell you how you can transfer your USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance. For this, you must have a soft wallet, not a X1 hardware. This method only works for the soft wallet. So open your SafePal and select USDT. Then here you have to click on send button, and now please open your Binance and go to wallets, and now click on deposit and select USDT from here, and then select a BNB Smart Chain BIP20. Now copy the deposit address and go back to your SafePal wallet. Now paste your SafePal address here. Make sure you have entered the correct address. You might lose all your USDT if you have typed it wrong. Now enter your amount that you want to transfer in your Binance account. I do not have any available balance right now, so I cannot show you how the next process is, but I can explain you. For example, we have to send 100 USDT. Write down here, and if you want to send maximum, then you can press this max icon here. It is showing me insufficient balance because I do not have balance in my SafePal wallet. Then you have to click next button. There it will ask a gas fee of something like 0.007 USDT. You have to pay it, and then please confirm the transaction. After some time your USDT will be transferred from your SafePal wallet to your Binance.